Nurturing your digestive system is the first step towards optimal health. And what better way to do this than with a daily detox that naturally cleanses your colon? This video will introduce you to a simple yet profoundly effective daily detox recipe, featuring a blend of 4 powerful berries, chia seeds, flax seeds, and dates. These ingredients are not only delicious, but packed with nutrients that promote a healthy colon and overall well-being. Before we make this life-enhancing smoothie, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay informed about natural ways to elevate your health. Your engagement is the fuel that drives us to share these valuable health tips. Our detox recipe stars blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Each berry brings its own set of health benefits to the table. Blueberries are antioxidant powerhouses. Strawberries provide a dose of vitamin C, raspberries are fiber-rich, and blackberries contain vital nutrients like vitamin K. Together, these berries offer a synergistic effect that aids in cleansing the colon and combating free radicals. Known for their impressive omega-3 fatty acid content, chia seeds also provide a substantial amount of fiber. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel-like substance that aids in the removal of toxins from the colon, promoting a healthy digestive tract. Like chia seeds, flax seeds are a fantastic source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help in the smooth movement of waste through the digestive system, thus contributing to the cleansing process. Dates are not just a natural sweetener, they're also rich in fiber. They add a delightful sweetness to our detox drink while encouraging healthy bowel movements and providing essential nutrients. Here are the ingredients you need to make this detox smoothie. 1/4 cup of mixed blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds, 2 dates, and 1 cup of water. Now let's make the colon cleansing smoothie. If you prefer a smoother texture, start by soaking the chia seeds, flax seeds, and dates in a cup of water or almond milk overnight in the refrigerator. This step is optional, but recommended for easier blending and enhanced nutrient absorption. In a blender, combine the soaked seeds and dates mixture with the mixed berries. Blend until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little more water or almond milk to reach your desired consistency. Enjoy this detox drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for optimal benefits. Consuming this daily detox smoothie contributes to a naturally cleansed colon, supporting your body's detoxification processes and promoting nutrient absorption. It's a refreshing, nutrient-packed way to start your day, ensuring your digestive system is primed for optimal function. In addition to enjoying this detox drink, remember to maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity are also key components of a healthy lifestyle that supports natural detoxification. We're eager to hear about your experiences and any variations of the detox drink you might discover. Have you noticed improvements in your digestive health since incorporating similar natural detox methods into your routine? Share your stories and suggestions in the comments below. Your input enriches our community, offering encouragement and inspiration to others on their health journey. If you found this video informative and believe in the power of natural remedies for enhancing health, please share it with others who might benefit from incorporating this daily detox smoothie into their daily routine. Together, we can spread the word about simple, natural ways to support our health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember, taking small steps towards a healthier lifestyle can lead to significant improvements in your overall health and happiness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content designed to help you live your healthiest life.